Hello everyone. So in today's video, we will be learning about how to reverse an array with using third variable. Well, to reverse an array using third variable, we definitely need a third variable. Well, for what reasons? And by the way, what is this reverse of an array? Let's just find it out. So if you can see, I have placed an array over here with the following elements present in the array. These are the array indexes and we have the name of the array as A. Talking about the reverse of an array, if we can see, the reverse of the array can be like this. The last element will be placed at the first position of the array. The second last element, that is 5, will be placed over here. The next element will be placed over here. The next 4, 2 and 3. It means we have to completely reverse this array. But now the concept is, if this is our expected output, then we have to achieve this expected output with the help of a third variable. How we are going to do that? Let's just find it out. So what we will do, we'll be taking some of the shapes. It means, if you can see, this 3 has been placed it over here, right? Similarly, this 8 has been placed over here. It means that, can we say it like this? The value of A of 0 has been placed at A of 5, correct? A of 0 has been placed at A of 5. Similarly, A of 5's value has been placed at A of 0. Can we say that both of these values present in those indexes have been swapped? Yes. Well, if we have gone to the very basic exercises of arrays, before that, we definitely know how to swap two variables with the help of a third variable. The same procedure we will apply here as well. How? I will take a temporary variable. Assume this temporary variable is with the name temp. What I will do now, I will write the first statement over here. Please make a note. The first statement will be, I will assign the value of A of 0 to this temporary variable. How? Let me just show you. I will assign the value of A of 0 to this temp. Next, I will assign the value of A of 5 to A of 0. The value of A of 5 to A of 0. It means the value 8 has been copied at its first position, right? That is here. Now, the value of temp, will be copied back to A of 5, like this. Is this clear to everyone? It means that this value and this value will be get copied over here. It means both of these values have been placed at its correct position. To maintain both of these indexes, to achieve this concept with maintaining both of these indexes, we definitely need I over here and a variable j over here, so that we can manage both of these indexes. After this concept, again, we need to work on the next index. That is, I will be working on at I is equal to 1. It means I variable need to be incremented. And what about j? Now we need to work for this. It means j needs to get decremented. Now it means we are talking about this value. Same procedure we will be doing, that is, we will be assigning the a of 1 key value to the temp. Again, a of 4 key value to a of 2, and then temp key value to again a of j. Same way for the swapping again. And finally, we will be achieving these two correct values at their correct positions. Next, I has been incremented and the I key value becomes 2. J has been decremented and j's value become 3. Again, same procedure. Now we are talking about this 4. 4 will be copied into temp. This 6 will be copied over here, and then the temp key value will be copied back over here. It means 4 is here and 6 is here. Therefore, both of these values has also been swapped. So this is the way how we will do the swapping or the reverse of an array with the help of a third variable. Let's move on to the coding section. So here as well, I have taken the same array for better understanding. Now, what will I be doing? Firstly, I will be taking these two variables named as I, which has been initialized with 0, and now another variable as j. Well, for now we know that j's value is 5, but for generalized purposes, I will be writing over here j dot a dot length minus 1, because I definitely need to access the last index of the array. Now I will be using a loop over here, and I will write this whole of the logic should apply when I is values less than j, right? It means we are currently working in the array. I will take a temporary variable and I will save the value as a of I for general. Similarly, in a of I we will be saving the value of a of j, and in a of j we will be saving the value of temp. I need to get incremented and j need to get decremented, and we are done. A of j2. Can we run the program? Yes, and we have got the correct answer. Just for your better understanding, like how I have placed this a of I and a of j, I will be writing the code over here again so that we will have a great knowledge of that as well. If you can notice, every time what I was doing is, firstly I was taking the a of i's values into temp, correct? So I will be writing over here temp mein I will be saving the value of a of I, right? Then I was saving a of j's values into the a of i's position. It means I was saving a of j's values into a of I, and finally I was saving a of j's values mein temp ki value. Again I will repeat, initially I have taken a of I value and I have saved it into temp, or we can talk about this current situation as well. I have taken the value of a of I and saved into temp. Then I have taken a of j value and I have saved it into a of I. Then I have taken temp key value and I have saved into a of j. So therefore I have taken this as the generalized steps. Okay, this is how we should reverse an array with the help of a third variable. Thank you very much for now.